Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know where Sharon gone because we are about to unbox some Shein things. We buy some things from Shein. Shine. This is our two-night video because one of the packages I'm still not come yet, but Miss Lady excited. She wants to see what's in the packages. So let's start. Is this mine or yours? Oh, these are yours. That looks fancy. Boy. Is that pink? This is yours. That one is yours. And that's yours. I don't know what's in this. Earrings. I don't know why the child won't wear accessories.
Not earrings.
Then what accessories you want?
Necklaces and bracelets.
Necklaces and bracelets. What kind of necklace? Ooh, earrings. I don't know why I buy Shein costume jewelry if I know, but I did want two little things. So let us start with these earrings. Oh, this is not an earring. What are you doing? Yes. Okay, first up, this will go nice with what I have on right now. There we go. Almost stay.
What?
I think this part here, so I'm going to glue it on so it stays this way, and then that looks better. Yeah, I like that. But that's cute. Anyways, and I got these. These are earrings, right? No, this is the next chain, so I'm gonna layer them on. Yeah, that's cute. It's a little whatchamacallit. Pass your rubbish bin. We could just drop things in it as we go. Okay. Another little last me a couple years. What you doing? What you doing around there? Every time we get up to the top.
That's not supposed to go in there.
Oh, this is one of their strapless bra things that nobody trusts but I just see. But you know, I see that on camera. But the one where you put it on and then there's this strap underneath to help hold up the girls down. We'll see if that wears or if that works well. Alright, this first one is clearly hers. You open it. What does it say?
Desire.
Ooh!
Desire.
Open up this one, because I know this one you want. Maybe this can quench the thirst for a little bit and so you won't stop asking for a
Cat.
It's a crop top? It was a crop top?
That ruins the whole point though.
I feel like you have enough crop top.
That ruins the point. It was supposed to be a baggy shirt.
It was supposed to be a baggy. Shein. Alright, I'm going to see what else in the bag then. We are carefully. A baggy shirt. There you go. So then pick me, I see. Put your foot in other shoes here, let me see if it fits.
Okay. You look like grandma's foot. Why are you putting on my shoe?
They'll do for now. They'll do.
You want them?
No.
Let's trade.
Hell to the no. Boy, let me show the people that get slippers.
My feet falling off.
Fix your foot them good. Where y'all go?
I was falling.
Gentle people, look on them slippers here where she send come give Pitney. Oh my goodness. They will work. She didn't need some old slippers. This is mine, a new t-shirt dress. Lord, it just look like one big No man, this too big. Me not so big no more. Me never did so big. Me so big. You know when the clothes them come and you open them up and then look big and then try it on and them fit and you're like, oh. Oh. I'm forever trying this and it fit me nice. It's so big. Anyway, I just wanted more t-shirt tops. Why did I buy it in black? In hot ass Florida. Good child. And I like that the sleeves are wide because sometimes, you know, when you have big arms. Anyways, maybe I'll do a try on haul when the rest of the things them come. I'll try them on for you so you can see and we'll have better lighting. But this is just the first part of the video now, but I'm gonna wear because in the same video I'm gonna try on everything. This is a cute little vacay dress. Okay, dress. Okay, Shein. So the top looks like, you know, a little,
How do you put that on?
it looks like a little straight across situation. And then the back is open. When I try it on, you'll see it. You'll figure it out. But I like the color. I do love this like sunshine lemony yellow color. Well, that's it. That's what came in so far. The rest in a well, the rest comes tomorrow. But for you,
That was so cool.
does it wait? And then we just soups the next video upon it.
But for you, cut video, add next clip. Hi guys!
Right.
You know you think.
We're back. The second bag has arrived. And I am in the black dress that came yesterday or whenever it was. Yeah, it was yesterday, right? No, it was the day before. And then we got this one yesterday. And it is too big, so I'm gonna need to get it taken in or something. Because right now it's looking like a moo. This is definitely yours.
Ooh, cat.
Ooh, cat! I think this is yours too. The top looking. Why is someone something? I feel something. Hold on, that look of it. Me not buy now. This is mine. Is it sure?
I remember we were buying something and they were like, oh, the black is like 300, let's get the blue.
You sure? I think that's mine. Open it up. Open that up. Jaja. I don't know when I just go. Nobody have no picnic here.
This is the first thing you open. This is yours.
That's mine. Jesus! That big so. Why do you want something them so big?
It looked like something we wear to the hospital. No, at the hospital.
I feel like I have body more.
Think.
It does. Don't put it on my bed. Ooh, put it over here. Ooh, body. What's the word?
Body dysmorphia.
Body dysmorphia. Oh, me just feel like my big and wide like truck. No, sir.
What's this? Looks like mine. Yes, it is. Okay, guys. So this is the first of mine. This
It's a cracked up again.
we established it. Anyway, it looks very nice. I don't know
Does
what's
it?
going on right here.
She is in the skull and bone phase. Oh.
Anyway, yes.
Let's look like this again. What is?
Let me see. I hope not. Yeah.
It is. Oh, what kind of material did she send
Right?
you me?
It feel like oh my gosh, it feel like Andrew's uniform.
It's clearly polyester. It feels like plastic. And I thought it would be a nice like a cotton dress situation. No, put them back and sit up on my bed. I have one down here.
Two, I took up one.
Alright. No, put them on my bed.
Oh, I got paper with mine because it's fresh. Anyway,
Paper and all of them. I can't believe that frock here. I thought it was a nice little cottony, thin cotton summer dress situation. And you know how they had them beat me bad? I bought this one particularly because I saw an IG ad. And I was like, oh, that's cute. Let me see if you one.
okay. So this is the front of the shirt. Basic. Now this is the back of the shirt.
And what's special about it?
It looks cool. Anyway. Next.
Anyway, let me see what one pan blue frock here. If it can save. Shein have to go down. Shein have to go down.
For you.
Oh, where that go?
In the house. It's very small.
Smart.
It looks like underwear. Anyway, it's cute for in the house, I guess.
If it never have something on the front, more than take it. Because it's cute for me.
What do you mean?
But what is on the front?
It's a butterfly.
With skull and bone on it.
There's no bone.
So it's a skull.
Next.
If we go look back on the website and see what this was supposed to be, because Jassy and no say. Let me try it.
Cat.
Maybe if we could just buy a bare shirt pan Shein and give it a rest, because I don't know what it's doing.
That is all. Thank you.
Alright, so let me reposition and do some little try on of them something here, because I can't understand what them something Shein saying come give me. So this is the black dress. As I said, it's not bad. I love t-shirt dresses as what do you call it, knock around. I don't know where to get that word from, but I picked it up from one of y'all. And so this is a cute little knock around. I like them dresses when I go supermarket or when I do video, I have something to just draw on. These are my favorites, but I have to go. I need a style revamp because I keep buying them and some of them are hits, some of them are misses. I think this was supposed to be one too. To be honest, I really think that this is what this was supposed to be as well. Well, I'm hospital already.
It looks like you just gave birth.
Thank you for that. I don't even know if this can fix. Like, what do I do with this? Maybe we'll cut it this way and put elastic around the bottom so it look like a crop top. But I don't know. If you have any ideas on how to fix this one, oh, child, come show them your crop top.
It looks great. It's not even that high. But it looks great.
I painted us up when I belly outside door.
It's not even that high. You can't. You see it. You can't even see it. Look.
I see the hole in your belly.
The hole in my belly is this.
Alright. It's not horrible, but the material is just not what I was expecting. But we spend my money, so I find somewhere where it go. I do like that it has pockets and it don't fit too bad up here. I have on my bra, just kind of squished it down so you can see the effect. But I feel like I could actually wear this braless. It is what it is. For the little bit of money, it don't even make sense you return things to Shein. So we all knew that Shein is like hit or miss. Sometimes you hit, sometimes you miss. This one is in the middle. I have one more piece to try on. Let's see. Me not like this. I don't think this is for the big tata ladies. I think I don't know if I try it up here so if I just don't know. I just don't like. I know. Is the back giving?
No.
Marla said no. I don't know. I'm feeling like if I detach the top, I would have good uses for the skirt. I don't like it as a dress at all. But just taking off the top, I have use for the skirt with a cute little crop top. This Shein order was a flop. Yeah, show off your cat teeth. Come up some more when I need to see the shot, the bottom. Get the too close. That's it. Me just have a bad pair of t-shirt pan Shein because I don't know. So this is my refix of the abysmal yellow frock. I would bring it up a tier and put elastic in the waist right here, so it's this length and it's this flare. I love the shade of yellow, so I actually might put effort into trying to fix this one. And then this one crop top where it was for Marley.
And still is.
I wish I wear this go.
No, weird. I said it's house clothes.
House clothes.
It look cute.
And then you said so I'll take Instagram picture with it?
I don't take pictures on Instagram.
You know what I mean? TikTok, wherever.
No, I don't post on TikTok. Well, I do, but no.
Anyways, this is my refix, so I think with a much cuter little crop top. The skirt is worth fixing. I don't know what I'm going to do with the blue muumuu something. If you have any kind of suggestions for me, I am definitely open to hearing. I don't want to waste my money, so I'm thinking of just cutting it into a top, put elastic in at the bottom and wear it as a little baggy crop top situation. We don't know, we'll see. I wear t-shirt, Sheila, you know, so.
Is there anything?
No. Anyway, this was our little mom and daughter Shein haul try-on situation. Let me know if you want to see more of these because it's always a hit or miss, but I have to say that I've gotten some good pieces from there. So I soon go back on Shein. I just saw it set up. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.